My YouTube automation channel died. I never thought that I'll actually be making this video, and I was really excited in the beginning, but now I'm just disappointed and feeling like frustrated. Okay, and this is one of the message that I actually received from one of my followers who actually been following me, and he actually literally decided to reach out to me and to actually seek some help, because in the beginning he was getting a lot of views and the views stopped coming. So when he actually not getting the views, not going to be making any money on YouTube automation channel. Okay, so he just reached out to me and I did a channel review for him. So that's what I'll be sharing with you in this video. So you might be in the same situation. You might be getting a lot of views fast, but now the views are actually dying out, and you don't want to be making this critical mistake if you want to be successful with your YouTube automation business model, right? And make sure to stay till the end, because I'll be giving you a lot of golden nuggets throughout this video, so you can actually take this method and actually apply it to your own YouTube automation channel or business. Also, let me know in the comment section where you're also watching from, so I'd like to better connect with you. And let me know if you have started any YouTube automation business. How's that going? Would love to know, right? So by the way, my name is Sanjeev, and I talk about everything got to do with starting your own online business, but specifically I talk about YouTube automation and also affiliate marketing, because literally I think this is the best business model out there. With YouTube automation, you're going to get a lot of traffic coming into your channel, and now we have to monetize it through affiliate marketing, which is just awesome, and monetizing through digital marketing. So there's a lot of avenues and a lot of ways we can be building different or multiple streams of income, right? So let's discuss about this, because I'm really excited to share with you this secret and a hack pretty much on how to get a lot of views. But also you don't want to be making a lot of you don't want to be making this critical mistake, especially if you just need to YouTube automation channel, okay, and business model. Okay, so hopefully you can actually see my screen. So this is a channel that's like really big. It's a channel with 44.6 million subscribers, and they got like literally like 8.7k videos on their channel. Okay, and literally what my client was actually doing, he was purely just modeling after this channel. Okay, so what normally people just do, they just go to most popular videos and they start recreating these videos. Okay, so let's discuss about this, why his channel was actually dying, and why he was getting a lot of views and then views were dying. He wasn't getting any views on the other videos. Okay, so let's discuss about this. So basically, if what I actually did, I went with the popular videos on his channel on Brightside. This is not my client's channel, by the way. He was actually modeling this channel, right? So, and I just gave him the actual solution, like why his videos and why his channel was actually dying out. Okay, so if I go to most popular, you can see he's got a lot of views on this channel. Okay, so Brightside is a big channel, and he was just recreating these videos, right? Most popular. But what I actually see on this channel is like, for example, if you see this video, 93 million views that he's actually got on this video, and then he's got another 66 million, 59 million, 59 million, 50 million, 48 million. Okay, so you get the point, like a lot of millions of views, right? But what's actually happening, from this 93 million, he's probably got 1 million subscribers. Okay, give or take maybe 50,000. And then from this video, he's got probably another 50,000. From this video, he's got another 50,000, 50,000, 50, 50, 50. Okay, so, and he's literally getting like a lot of subscribers, right? So that's the reason you can see like 44.6 million subscribers he's actually got on his channel, right? But if I go to like the most latest videos, right? And by the way, another thing I wanted to tell you is literally like this subscriber that actually subscribe to this channel. They actually want to watch these survival wild animal videos, right? And after that, he actually created a Rubik's cubes video. Okay, so which is like totally different to survival wild animal attacks. Like totally different videos. And then after that, he created videos on like how good are your eyes. Okay, so it's like all different topics. He actually creating videos on this channel, right? So basically, what is actually happening is if someone is actually coming to the channel to actually and are subscribing to a particular topic, they expect the channel to be creating in that same particular niche. But if you see this channel is just creating videos on everything, like all sorts of topics they're creating videos on, right? And if I go to most latest videos, he's getting like the views on their videos are so bad. And like my videos on my channel, like because it's a niche specific channel, it's getting a lot more views, even though I don't have much subscribers, but it's getting a lot way more views compared to the subscriber count. And the reason they're getting such a low views on these videos, it's because they're creating videos on different topics, right? So for example, if someone is actually subscribing to like different videos, like this video is about earth, this video is about mind-blowing um, fun facts, and then he's got videos about like avocados, amazing food. So it's literally all mixed topics. Okay, so what's actually happening, what is actually happening for this channel, like in the beginning, sorry about my drawing is like really bad. So in the beginning stage, when this channel was starting, you can see the shark attack video. So this is probably might have been his core audience, like right here. And it got a lot of views, right? It got a lot of views, and probably people have actually subscribed. And then because people are subscribing and it's getting a lot of views, YouTube thought like, let's promote this channel to like a broader audience, more audience. So after that, it started promoting the videos to like wider audience. And then once that one that video actually did well, YouTube thought, okay, let's broaden the audience. So this is broadening the audience in the same specific niche. So like you already saw this shark video, it's literally got like 93 million views, right? So with that, YouTube just kept expanding the audience to show that same audience that's like same shark video, right? So that's how it started promoting to like more and more audience who were interested in that shark attack video. Okay, so after they have actually subscribed, and but after that, if you see, they're creating mix. So once you start creating mixed content on your channel, YouTube algorithm will be just confused, like they don't even know who the audience is for this channel, right? So that's the reason they're not getting so much views. And this is the exact reason why my client's channel was also dying. And I actually gave him a tip that just drop this channel, because he literally had like probably 50-60 videos created, and like only 2 or 3 videos were just getting the momentum. So I told him like, you just killing your channel, you're not gonna get much success out of this channel. This is like a broad and general topic niche. So I just told him, just start a fresh channel and be specific on your particular niche that you want to get into, right? And you might be also making the same mistake, right? You might be creating videos and following after channel who are actually creating broad topics. Okay, so you don't want to be making that mistake, because even the YouTube algorithm is so confused, and none of his videos, like newly released videos, are even getting like 1 million views, right? Even though they have 44 million subscribers, none of their videos is actually getting even close to like 200,000 views. Is because the YouTube algorithm is just confused. So don't make this mistake. You don't want to be creating broad topics. And this is the reason that my client's channel was like literally dying. So hope you got some value out of this video, and let me know how your channel are also going, so I can better help you. If you want to know like how I'm actually building my YouTube channels, faceless channels, and literally we're blowing up channels like in a very short amount of time and starting to earn that passive income, is the reason we able to do that is because we're starting with the already monetized channel, right? Already monetized channel means the channel has 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch hours, right? So that's why the channel is also in the YouTube partner program. And once we start uploading videos, we're gonna be starting to make money from day one, right? That's the reason we able to like start channel and blow it up very fast, is because we already have access to already monetized channels. So if you want to know more about how we are starting our YouTube channel and getting to know more about like YouTube algorithm and stuff like that, reach out to me so I can better help you. But hopefully you got some value out of this video, and hope to talk to you very soon. God bless, and bye for now.